Join me as I challenge myself to incorporate turmeric into every meal for a whole week and see if it really lives up to the hype as 2024's hottest superfood. Turmeric has been a staple in traditional medicine for centuries, but what's behind its recent surge in popularity? From ancient Ayurvedic practices to modern-day health enthusiasts, turmeric's golden hue is shining brighter than ever. We're living in a time where chronic inflammation and digestive problems are rampant, and people are seeking natural remedies to alleviate their symptoms. The aisles of our local health food stores are flooded with supplements and potions claiming to be the answer to our health woes. But what if the solution lies in a humble spice that's been hiding in plain sight all along? In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to get caught up in the chaos and neglect our body's cries for help. We're constantly bombarded with toxins, sugars, and unhealthy fats that wreak havoc on our systems. It's no wonder we're seeing a rise in chronic diseases like heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. But what if we could take control of our health by simply adding a pinch of this golden wonder to our daily routine? As we delve deeper into the world of turmeric, it's astounding to see the sheer volume of research backing its incredible health benefits. From reducing inflammation to fighting off free radicals, this superfood is the ultimate triple threat. Turmeric contains a powerful compound called curcumin, which has been shown to have potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. But what really sets turmeric apart is its ability to prevent disease. Studies have shown that it may be an effective natural remedy for everything from arthritis to Alzheimer's. It's even been found to have anti-cancer properties, making it a valuable asset in the fight against this devastating disease. One study that really caught my eye was conducted by the University of California, Los Angeles. They found that turmeric was able to reduce symptoms of depression by a staggering 79% in just 6 weeks. That's right, folks. This spice is not just a pretty face, it's a game changer. I'd like to share a personal testimony that really drove the point home for me. My grandmother has been struggling with arthritis for years, and after incorporating turmeric into her daily routine, she's seen a significant reduction in pain and inflammation. It's stories like these that remind us of the incredible power of nature. Turmeric is more than just a flavor enhancer or a trendy ingredient. It's a potent tool in our quest for optimal health. By adding it to our diets, we're not only boosting our immune systems, but also giving our bodies the chance to thrive. As we wrap up this video, I want to leave you with a challenge. Share with me your experiences with turmeric. Have you had any breakthroughs or successes using this incredible spice? Do you have a favorite recipe or tip to share? Let's get the conversation started in the comments below.